Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Gargi and you are watching Creative Gonai. In today's video, I am going to share with you Dot Mandala Art. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Here I will use these dotting tools. I bought these from Amazon. I will give the link in the description box. But if you don't have these tools, you can use things like toothpick, earbuds, pen, pencil, etc. I also use my lip liner and lip balm as the dotting tools. You can also use the back of the brush as a dotting tool. I bought these dotting tools a few days ago, but I have been making dots with whatever I could get my hands on. Here I have taken a round canvas and trying to find out the center. Here I am using canvas, but you can do it on any surface. No need to buy a canvas for this. Next, I will use black acrylic color on it as a base coat. Once the base is dry enough, I will start dotting with the dotting tools. Now, I don't have much to describe here. You will understand what I am doing. But two things you need to keep in your mind. First, each dot will not be exactly the same as before. Second, dotting tools should be wiped off from time to time using a cotton cloth. Here I am using only white color, though I ended up using two different colors. You can use any other colors. Every color will look beautiful because its base is black. So, this mandala art form is the art of relaxation. The beauty of mandala painting goes beyond the mesmerizing colors and dots. The technique of mandala painting, rooted in a rich history, is also proven to relax the body and mind. And once you have filled your canvas with the repeated patterns, let it dry completely and display it on your wall and enjoy the beauty. It took almost 2 to 3 hours to complete the entire process. It's really simple, and for me it works like a therapy. Though it is not perfect, as you can see, maybe it because I use these tools for the first time, but its final look is pretty good. Right now I am not applying varnish. Let it dry completely for 3 to 4 days and then I will apply varnish on it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if yes, then please hit the like button, comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, And last but not the least, please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.